to work out the area of an eclipse.
Ellipse. An eclipse is when that moon gets in where there's sun, I think.
Yeah, the area of an ellipse.
Yeah, but I like the way you're thinking. Get that eclipse in the way. Well, no, it's a formula that, you see, it's an unusual formula. It's an unusual area to have to work out. So what they'll do for you at GCSE, when it's an unusual shape for you to have to work with, they'll actually give you the formula.
Oh, alright, okay.
Okay, so I mean, sometimes they may give you something like the volume of, I don't know, something like, what's it called? A truncated cone. A frustrum. A frustrum is like, I'll just quickly draw it for you so you can see what I'm talking, what a frustrum is. It's like, what am I drawing here, top right?
Oh.
What am I drawing here, lads?
Oh,
yeah, it's a fact. Something that's given to you, and then around it are other things that are also true. It's how we can problem solve in an efficient way. A frustrum is this kind of shape. If I draw a cone, got the idea?
yeah.
Does it look anything like a cone? Hopefully.
Yeah, like an ice cream cone.
If I, yeah, upside down. If I chop the top off, here, then what I can get is this bottom part and the top part. See they separate? So this section here is called a frustrum.
Okay.
And what they will do sometimes, they'll give you the formula for that volume as a matter of fact. You necessarily don't know it from what you've got to do normally in work, for school work, what have you. But they'll give it to you. And then you just got to work with it as a fact. A little bit like this ellipse formula, where all of a sudden, out of the blue, you're told this, that the area of the ellipse is pi AB over 4. It's a quarter of that product, just out of the blue, for you to use, knowing that when you've got this distance here and that distance there, my colour coding hopefully will show you that that is the same as the long section of the ellipse. And this is the same as the short section, the short width on the ellipse. And then you have to work with that. And at GCSE now what they want to do, they want to throw you this at you every now and again. And you have to go, you know what? React to it and use it. Treat it like a fact. And then work around it with other things that you know. So for instance, Jack, when we went off on this before, I, guided by you, assumed we wanted the area of the shaded region. We didn't. That wasn't the question, was it? So we should have done this, shouldn't we? Coming back to it. Read the question. Because it took us a while then to actually answer the question.
Yeah, I know.
But we know some stuff about this, so we chose to go and do it.
Yeah.
It's worth 0 marks. It's brilliant maths, but it's worth 0 marks.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where it's at. Answer the question. Compare the value to the amount you've got, you can see, to the total value here. Make that comparison. Turn that into a decimal by doing the calculation. 0.7853, ba-da-la-la.